DKNG stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very brief short 1-minute video till the end to find out. I'm the only person in this space with a track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience. When I say this, people think I'm exaggerating or something. Bro, it's all on my YouTube channel. And how DKNG especially looks like for me here is long. I'm looking to buy more. Pre-market is a far higher, so probably missed out on that move. I'm going to talk about how I'd approach this now though, but like, look at this. Like, it was sitting at 33 bucks at the time 2 months ago, at the beginning of June, and from 33 bucks now we're 48. One thing that would have mattered is a pull down and a double break, but it seems like it's going up without me, which is again fair. It is going to happen. Even if I pop up here, you will see that I've got about 2 results here in the Discord as well. So if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description and I will continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy. Have any questions, comments, and now limits to you. This is not financial advice.